Today, we're jumping into something really exciting, I think.
Absolutely. It's an area that's genuinely transforming healthcare as we speak.
Yeah, we've looked at some fascinating sources on AI and personalized medicine, and our mission really is to figure out how this tech is making healthcare, well, personal again, tailored to you. Okay, let's unpack this a bit. So when we talk about AI personalizing medicine, what we're really looking at is healthcare that understands you specifically, your unique makeup.
Right. Not just treating a disease, but treating your version of it based on your own biology.
Exactly. Imagine treatments designed just for your body. So we'll look at sort of three main areas today.
How good?
AI and diagnostics, how it helps find diseases faster. Then drug discovery, making new medicines.
Which is huge.
And finally, precision therapies, getting the right treatment to the right person. It really feels like a peek into the future of well-being.
It really is. And what's so striking, I think, is how AI helps us move past that old one-size-fits-all approach.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it.
It takes all this incredibly complex data genomic imaging lab results and actually makes sense of it, turning it into insights we can act on.
So it's not just theory, it's happening now.
Definitely. It's pushing healthcare towards being profoundly individual.
Okay, so let's start with diagnostics. Our sources really highlight this. AI algorithms looking at, say, medical scans.
Right, like MRIs or CT scans. They can analyze these things called radiomic features.
Microscopic patterns, things the human eye might miss.
Exactly. Subtle variations in texture or shape within the image that often correlate with disease, sometimes months before it's obvious otherwise.
Wow. So it's like having superhuman vision for doctors.
In a way, yeah. It leverages computing power to see these really minute details in the data, not just images, but maybe genomic info too, spotting anomalies early.
And that early detection is crucial, isn't it?
Absolutely foundational. Finding something earlier almost always means better outcomes because you can intervene sooner. And this predictive power, it connects directly to the next big area, drug discovery.
Okay, yeah, talk about that. Finding new drugs traditionally takes forever, right? And costs a fortune.
It does. But AI can essentially test billions of possibilities inside a computer. It's called in silico testing.
So simulations.
Yeah, simulating how different molecules might interact with targets in the body or predicting if they might be toxic. It massively speeds up finding promising candidates. We're talking about cutting down processes that took years, maybe decades, into potentially just weeks.
That's incredible. It's like instead of searching a whole library blindfolded, AI just points you to the right shelf, maybe even the right book.
That's a pretty good analogy, yeah. It narrows the search space dramatically.
And then that leads us to precision therapies. This feels like the ultimate goal, maybe?
I think so. This is where it gets really, really personalized.
Like treatments designed not just for cancer, but for your specific cancer based on its genetic fingerprint.
Exactly that. Or understanding how your immune system will respond to something. AI helps figure out which existing drugs work best for you specifically.
Minimizing side effects too, presumably.
Yes, potentially. Or even designing entirely new therapies tailored to your individual biological profile. It's about getting the right treatment to the right person at precisely the right time.
That phrase really captures it.
It really underscores this move towards, hyper-personalization. Using AI to understand your unique biology lets us create bespoke treatments, safer, more effective.
So wrapping this up for you, our listener, the big takeaway here is that AI isn't just tweaking medicine.
No, it's fundamentally changing it.
Right. It's enabling treatments that are deeply tailored to you as an individual. It's a whole new way of thinking about healthcare, really.
And this raises an important question, I think, for everyone listening, as AI makes healthcare truly unique for each of us. Well, what new possibilities open up when care is that precisely aligned with our individual biology? And maybe, how does that change how we all think about health and staying well in the future?